I hope everyone is doing great. I have been receiving requests to create an end-to-end data engineering project using modern technologies and architecture. I spent good amount of time and created this data engineering bootcamp for free with all available free resources. Welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and support me. In this series of videos, we will learn modern technologies to extract and transform the business data in order to solve the business objectives. Let's get started. What we will get from this series of videos going forward. I will try to upload 2 videos per week so that you have enough time to practice on your own. In today's video, we will understand the agenda of this series, what we will learn, what are going to explore, and what is the main focus will be. Let's get started. As I said, what you will learn from this series of videos. Here is the main focus. This is the stack we will use to drive this the end-to-end data engineering real-time product with the modern technologies and modern architecture. The main focus is real-time project analysis and basic understanding of each one of these tools and followed by supporting tools. Greatest focus will be on DBT. DBT is one of the booming technology and also widely used in the real time for transformations. Part of our data engineering world. Earlier, we used to have, uh, in fact, even still, we use data flows in ADF, Databricks, PySpark, and also Python, Scala. Of course, in fact, there are different n number of tools are available in the market to implement to do the transformations, right? Well, why I was saying that great focus and more focus on the DBT. The reason behind that, the DBT is the data build tool. It has a lot of features and it has, it is simplified your transformation job with the help of basic SQL. Area of data flows to do the transformations. It was, a heavy lifting. Even in fact, if it still exists, you know that the data flow runs on top of these Spark clusters. And even, in fact, Databricks, we have a PySpark and Python, the Scala, and all these technologies we used to write a lot of coding to do the transformations to solve the business objects, right? But how the DBT helpful for us and how we can simplify the transformation job with the help of the basic SQL. That's what we are looking into it in this series of videos. Now, at the end, once the transformation is done, we will create a goal layer entity for each business goal, and we will generate a Power BI report. Well, we try to understand what the business problem is. First, to simplify, to make you understand, the easiest use case I'm choosing here, Netflix. Netflix movie reviews. How basically, we will get the movie ratings, how you can find the top number of top rated movies in the Netflix, and how trends going on over the time, regional wise, how that movie is performing, and how the daily rating trends and going on. And these kind of things, we will be having the Netflix data sets, and on top of that, we'll do our analysis and we'll try to understand the top movie ratings across the world or specific regional basis. Now, post that use case understanding, what are the business objective we are solving with the help of the Netflix source data set? We will be creating this end-to-end data engineering workflow to extract the data, and then we will process the data, and then we'll create a final aggregated layer. That's what we are going to solve in the series of videos. As I said, if you look at here, the data quality, right? The data quality checks basically the documentation using DBT, right? It's one of the feature which we are getting for free in the DBT. Then we'll understand how the DBT can help you, how we can leverage all the features which we are getting in the DBT. That's why it's a main focus of this one. How we can do the testing, how we can automate our workflows, how we can document, how this is useful for us, how you can check the lineage, in fact, how each column is derived from the source. We no need to write heavy coding to understand to make this happen. That's if you know very basic SQL, that's more than enough for you. I'm assuming because you're part of the data engineering world, definitely we all know that the basic SQL understanding, right? How typically it looks like the high level architecture. What basically we do, we need a sources, we will do ingestion. The sources, as you know that the sources which we are bringing from Netflix data, that's what is source. And the ingestion phase, we will use here Azure Data Factory. We will create a batch loads, we will create a incremental loads to load the data incrementally. And then we will be storing the data into the ADLS Gen 2. We will have a branch layer, we will implement the medallion architecture. And we will be processing this data. When we say the processing the data, it's a pretty much, it's a transformations. As I was saying, the transformation, there are different ways to solve this, different ways to transform the data, right? But in our series of videos, we use DBT tool. It's a modern tool to solve the business objectives. The next one, the transformations and governance, that's what I was saying, that the processing and transformations and governance. The consumer, we are the one, like, that's, we will consume this data after aggregating of the data. We will build our Power BI report to look at the trends of movie ratings, the trends of, like, the performance. At the end of the series, what we will learn, what we will gain from this series of videos, we will build the modern lakehouse architecture, enterprise ready ingestion, transformation, and governance. The what technical benefits which you are getting from this series of videos. As I said, we will use modern technologies. We will build the medallion architecture, and also more focus is on DBT driven transformations. How we can leverage the features of DBT to solve our objectives. How this is cost efficient, how the product ready architecture, like, we will explore all these options. These are all the technical benefits which you are getting from at the end of this video. Then what are you waiting for? I'm so excited to deliver this content, job ready content. It's one of the great project and modern architecture we are implementing. If you like this content, don't miss this free chance. And what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel and support me